Professor Kobnani of Ghana Statistics. Papa ni hu ne da minim ne da. But nana wo hwe omadwuma mo ya beautiful. And now I'm spending almost half of the day on their website. Now me Jane says Ghana ye form money year. Yeah man no ye beko yanim. That's what I strongly believe. 2 measure IGP Christian Teteyo no e den aba IGP Dampare. Me who be that, and I think say it's an act of indiscipline. Say police headquarters near to skagu ni IGP so ne say an act of indiscipline ya papa. Enti me no beche me we a budget na no a ana finance minister upload full budget no. Enti ma munim no ma upload full budget. So na manfo yo ma dwen say ne ato force nko kan ne budget da bi. Full budget ne 251 page. I wanna estimate no honestly me hwe ni na mu ye ba ma pick signals bi anana me no beche. So these are the 3 stories. Right. Me started IGP papa oda say I go for Dampare. Penny age I name the time you appointing it 54 years. Now man for business IGP is say ni fate then or 3 options ebi sida. Nana Mohammed Alas and say an ambassador. Ye say IGP. 50 Ghana I think our laws allow you to go for early retirement at 55. Or your PhD would obey my coach, they bit my ambassador near, they bit my retirement or returns to he retire on a salary. In the IGP Dampare, the man more general say pay, obey me a cobak, acquire Juma, send any police for ni be to Sikabu new one hour banosani at the end, obey me acquire Juma. Or 5 years to serve as a commissioner of police. That is the top rank in the hierarchy. IGP rank. Yes, the ranks no more than commissioner of police. No, I think that is the topmost rank I would do. And to 5 years, obey my call early retirement or a lot of options. Nana dan IGP Dampare no na me hu article we and most of me data na person me de ba no let me apologize to your network na ye kakrenti me lose some of my data and move fenche bu be free me trimaba but subsequently nsa na make my pay data na de ba ko so I say police headquarters the public image utwem test na wona hu police dan na ya kono efe the paint fan ho ya the public image of the police service na le bio celebrity arrest ade mo ye o GD pa Shatawale na be ka IGP chi no wache medical na Shatawale de no be ka na ye brandishing weapon any ade Shatawale so medical de no sa it ye some famous arrest in the country and so very interesting na bio ade be kwa IGP ni ko be kaya COP Alex Mensa be kwai o start raise issue say IGP na for gene age and some CV name be a copy that touching committee nana. This is one of the problems of our country. And then yama IGP community na me believe says our committee we ye o madwuma yi a nke bia enkasa ne yaman for the IGP Dampare enim twitwi from the bia nka wanu sa level no na one committee report ama ebedu baby no obi ehun ne akwisi ye attaching committee no ye ehun report no 4 eti nana 4 oye say na me kana man for say controversial promotion be kai no one police officers bi esi IGP no na me TV da say police officers na let me find lawyer esi IGP no very interesting ebi o nana de ba kwa me IGP na me nya issue ho centralized police communication asem si Kumasi this all flakra Akran Kasa Kumasi Kasa. And I thought that was a very bad for the police. When decentralized and now be two decentralized police communication by no be centralized and I think say papa. If you on police TV, a lot of education, maybe me call Kwame Nkrumah museum no more stand or how much church the police and Shesha and man a beautiful yeah. Now I any note date be man because by analysis we are. Parent Akufo-Addo appointed in July 2021. July 21, 2021 until 23rd July 2021. Now, this new IGP Awabano, me person ya dey be mame. And people should listen to me clearly. Now, what I'm coming to do, me can't say IGP Dampare na ye. But I think say nyema bia koso in our police service as ye na ye refi. And some of us we've not forgotten. Now, na ka branti we.
Yeah.
Okay no.
Me kind.
So the wusu afo hwa me nka o me friend constable Emmanuel say ye boni trimutu. Eno wuye.
Yeah.
Now on the 20s na me ye post on Facebook. Na yere classmate by ebe kan na yere story kire me enana sovereign na me raho young police officer no just I think 24-26 years ye boni trimu to bullion van robberies na no answer ni Brandon Constable Emmanuel say then they see ye na be kaya first half of 2021 and he started say ye recorded bullion van robberies. In fact, Nana by 2021 first half, on enya 3 billion ban robberies. My main come say in 2 of the cases, the police officers escorting the van lost their lives. And ananya man was open and share and enqua. But only the and how he was killed, no, and maybe a topic because they bone true. And also because of a police statement, a police for now the mine. Nana yankoso, you know. January 18, highway robbers numbering about 10 attacked the bullion van, which was traveling on the Adanse Formina Road in Ashanti region and made away with 500,000 cedis, 5 billion. Nana, the driver of the vehicle, blah blah blah, survived while the police officer escorting the van was killed and his AK-47 assault rifle stolen. On March 1, a bullion van was robbed on the Spinters Road at Bachona near the Dampare hospital by some armed men numbering about 4. The driver of the bullion van and 1 official from the bank escaped while the escorting police officer was assaulted by the robbers. The robbers broke into the van and escaped with the money. In June, there was 2 bullion van attacks within 3 days. The first incident happened on June 14 at the Dampare near Jamestown in Accra. A police officer escorting the van and a woman was killed while the driver of the vehicle sustained serious injury. The second bullion van was on June 17 while passengers in a bullion van with registration blah 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 was attacked. Nana, all these incidents 2021. So now I felt that when the IGP Dampare came, he will investigate this matter. And I don't just investigate this matter now. I'm coming to use police now statement. Tell my bullion van a question. Nana, after 1 year, my catch was started 2021. Nana, on the 7th of March 2022, police released a statement. Will say police makes breakthrough in bullion van robberies. One, the Ghana Police Service, after several months of painstaking, painstaking intelligence-led operation at the highest level. Ghana Police Service say omo ko baby o me ko bia painstaking omo to ti omo ram ye bibi o me ye bia na yes investigation with has made a major breakthrough in the investigation into multiple bullion van robberies recorded in the Greater Accra region. These are from the case of February 2021, Bachona, March 2021, Jamestown, June 2021, attempted robbery, North Carnegie, February 2022. In an hour, during the tenure of the IGP, no, only 1 bullion van robbery in the scene tenor. Because we can see a bonidi July 2021. Only 1 bullion van robbery in the scene February 2022. Nya Kenya predate no. And I had a say preliminary investigations have established the involvement of 2 police officers among a number of other suspects. The investigations are continuing. We expect to bring soon all culpable people to face justice. Now I will say police for na be catch say sa bullion van robberies bank for car na ye and robbers e gigi wo musika ku police for no e ye omo police for mu bi e na edi say adwuma no. This is the 7th of March 2022. Now on the 8th of March, a former director of public relations DCOP Kwasifuri, Deputy Commissioner of Police, at this statement by or say update on police investigation into bullion van robberies. 1. The police have carried out an intelligence-led field raid at hideout of the gang connected to the investigation into the bullion van robberies. Nanati, during the robbery at Botema near Shaiman, there was an exchange of gunfire and 2 policemen, Constable Randolph Jima Ansa and Corporal Stephen Kwekunyame, who have been arrested in connection with the bullion van robberies, were shot and were pronounced dead on arrival at the police hospital. Nana 7th, bullion van robberies are yabo police for to police for catch Ghana for saying police for me nu and a young mastermind behind our robberies. No, Adetia police catch us any pamienu near the omuko scene. Akwachi civilian form can to buy sa police for no.
Sir, excuse me, and IGP de mai.
No, IGP. I'm saying that this is the police. Director
IGP and the buy.
Yes.
You can say
the public affairs.
Yes. To buy.
Yes.
But say wona ye chi o ma yesu so mu ye police akron for no.
Yes.
Ade a chen ya.
Omawu.
Ye de omu ko scene na.
Yeah.
Ya bom mu mienu nko atu.
Nananim policemen don't talk. Obi oya familiar with Asanwansis don't go 7 bia. Nana he, I'm trying to make police asema. It can be any of us. na mema several incidents and na me feel say IGP yo onu anya investigation na sene Dampare kwei sene manfo e ne saa no mo be ye maka che say ade ni si ansa na Dampare beba ba ko si ni tena obu na ni gu so na obie nu obetimi convince me say constables can do this sophisticated robberies na unim na ehu no imano say no time mo ye robbery no identify Randolph Randolph no identify no so because they knew him no ono mo bone trimutuo na in fact me investigation my kire me say the constable Randolph and any man was saying they were recruited at the same time. They were in the same unit in the police service. So who recruited them into the police service? This is police official statement signed by DCOP. Sa robbery na obo ani say cars na efa bank sika no ni ebobon kofu mu hu say police for ka ho police na nya fam ka ho mu na e yom na me mastermind na say ye ka say armed robbers na police ka police fam no mu de mutintimai na ye che sa nkofo na de achin ya ye say omu nkofwa na eku omu nko amienu say ye de omu kosin na kwachi civilians na e kan o ne tuo by surprisingly omu tu no na wu ye because dead men don't confond the moment me anchi. Yes nana in the history of our Ghana police service, extrajudicial killings are common. And extrajudicial killings in here. Just say police na ya no say judge or chewa otimi kum BBNC. And I have maybe several instances. This is police official statement. Nana Christian Teteyewonu as IGP must investigate. How was Constable Randolph Jima Ansah recruited into the Ghana Police Service? Why was his colleague Emmanuel Say shot in the head in his 20s? Now, I'm going to 500 billion crowns of BBBAO. A brand or Kojuma or could protect billion. But I'm going to 2 billion dako. Ya buni trimutu. Ye chini pana identify na de chinya. Yes, woman ne do mo call since some call identify ni po mu tu na wu. Na maduma na se mo ye ka tran. Nana nim enye we nko a unu abrante we enkranza abedonko
yeah mekai na some kran na eden
nana ono nso yes a suspected and robber and na anytime you passionate ni say police for ya trofo ebi mu nana ka san wase 7 senye chief imam any muslim mpanifo na digina ma police for chantro sa boys nya kronfo you could do commission of inquiry news about no be no ya kronfo Emma state no me no na betua compensation Emma say abusua no
ne de na ehi
na nkranza abedonko
o meka so aye de
na no so ya kronfo nkofa ne firi ni dem no ano no ye kwa na brante na wu it can be you it can be me na de bia me ka say when you are critiquing state agencies that's why me use windows police report na me dey assignment where your police report signed by DCOP Kwasifori the 7th was signed by Superintendent Alex Kweku Obeng. These are their own statements and you should be careful na he abedonko wie no entonso abrante o MPP ni ye kunipa 4 says allegedly o me langa. These are their pictures abrante we everybody knows on a langa na nanfofo wo ne nchen na wo kwachi obi a. Is the police the judge in this country? They killed this foreman in Ntonso. Papa will follow case na surprise on Usu or MPP ni.
Papa we?
Yes.
No follow case.
Ntonso. Just Google. Usa Ghana somebody kind of one you can hear ref. Nana, I have a catalog of extrajudicial killings under the police service.
And not IGP.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm not saying Dampare occasion that, but now if you head an institution, now many years idea we are. Now Ghana for be celebrating. One of the things I say Madam Faka, I'm not careful. I say Botiano. They are counting about 10 people who because of Sani money maybe say. Or to them money abefa. And all these things. If Christian Teteyewonu as new IGP Nana, Sani maybe say, why investigate here? It will be his downfall.
Right.
Now the police service, someone never be very positive, but they are criminal elements, and I say this based on facts. There are criminal elements in the police service, and they need to read them out. And when the police they catch you, say robberies their course no police for na Christian Teteyewonu so man and Nikoha. Na who is Christian Teteyewonu? Why 2007 to 2009, Accra Central Divisional Commander, why Greater Accra Regional Operations Commander, why Greater Accra Commander, why Director of MTTD, into why Deputy Director General of Administration in 2016, where you see COP Commissioner of Police, a Kufuado, July, June, because of no suspects that Dampare. And go near Mum no appointed and said Deputy IGP. But I'm a question. My man for as the Kufu the first time I appointed Deputy IGP. No, Mohammed Alas, I know a Deputy IGP. In fact, we read the Police Actor. Police can appoint a Deputy IGP. And a mammy be males. No, so a Deputy IGP. So a Kufu and your first person appointed a Deputy IGP. No, appointed that.
COP Yohunu IGP.
Yes.
Akufo-Addo appointing as Deputy IGP.
Yes.
Okay.
What's an idea? Who's a Ghana policy? Good deal. I'm virgin so I NDC, but not for my deep throat sources. In fact, you see, let me say this. Allegedly, what COP Alex Mensah was doing was supposed to take Dampare out.
Okay.
It wasn't successful. So they brought in Yowonu as deputy to check. That is what I've been told.
Okay.
And he has that cross carpet appeal. But me won't be that in my young life say about GPD near to Tuskegunu. So I think they're not so very indisciplined. And then now for the first time, COP Alex Mensah Kasembi. Yes, we can jubilate. But as our public show, say to Tuskegunu police papa. And because
honestly, my little take on this and say it's dangerous.
Yeah.
Didn't say dangerous and then they say when you are
yeah.
It's very difficult for you to control them.
Yes.
And you want to share IGP be need the way nkofo si pen asem afi bo nsem nkofo no mususu say won ye dey buy na adent na say what dey mra no na ye problem
na Dampare from so be ye me enhwe na interestingly no obedi 60 December unza is allowed David appear to ye man no contract obedi manya contract but na permit checks there or a fine gentleman why find them and for about 20 more police for boom. But now no do chin kwasi asem say o be ye dem massa don't know can say them for for baby ababu. I'm sure yes an Kofi Buachi honhom ne kakra woni mu.
No but no so nkyere say be din sem hunu.
Oh na no ho.
Enti men yet to say you see the other thing now only police for me police for me nam for no. But we see police for no so e feel say ade bi wo ho Dampare momunye. Oti ase
bribe GNS ani
no even yeah bro basa ni nase for no Dampare was always protecting the public police so for no so feel say sabi as a who protect the public but who protect ye
it's na 19 na was study those within the police service no mo pe Dampare out by air public no the optics no near pay who's na no be first IGP no conform ni adban na say yes what ni ja ho and the names any session. And our time until we are first time in the base on the budget.
Budget, yeah, quick.